This video shows you how to clean the Tassimo Vivy coffee machine. So firstly, let's take cognizance of certain nodes, buttons and components on the machine. This button here is your status LED or brewing button. The button beneath it is your fill water tank. And the last button at the 6 o'clock position is your descaling button. To the left side of the machine is your on and off switch, power button. And now let's identify other parameters or components within the machine. Here you've got your lid, which you can open and close. And then you've got your T-disc, which is somewhat T-shaped. And that protruding bit there is your T-disc piercing unit. And when the T-disc support is taken out, you can clearly see your barcode reader, which reads the barcode on the T-disc alongside other coffee pods. To the right of the T-disc support is your T-disc reading window, which is the window or the slot where the T-disc or the coffee pod sits, so that the reader can read the barcode from the pod or the T-disc. And here you've got your beverage outlet and a splash guard, which prevents brew from spilling. To the right of the machine, you've got your removable water tank. And if you look closely at the scale on the tank, it's got a maximum level mark for cleaning and for brewing. It's also got a descaling mark for descaling the machine and the float at the bottom, which is the round or circular disc that you see here. Other components are your removable and height adjustable drip gate and your drip tray. So this is your drip tray, and the ones with perforated round holes is your drip gate. So it encompasses your drip gate and your drip tray, okay? To the bottom right of the machine, we've got a yellow service T-disc and a brief cleaning and descaling instruction manual, which can be saved or salvaged from the storage compartment that's at the bottom right of the machine. So do remember that the cup stand, which encompasses the drip gate and the drip tray, the removable water tank, and the beverage outlet with its detachable splash guard, as well as the T-disc support, are the removable components on the machine. The T-disc support keys in to a static rounded pivoted end, which it pivots on. So it is detachable and flexible, and you can take it out if you need to give it a good clean. The next stage would be to clean the Tassimo Vivy coffee machine. So first, we fill the removable water tank with water to the max level. If your tank is empty and you then switch on the Tassimo coffee machine, the fill water tank symbol or icon illuminates red, which indicates that you need to fill up the water tank with water. As soon as you fill the tank with water and insert it or install it into the machine, the red fuel water tank symbol disappears. So I will put the yellow service T disc in the T disc support and then close the lid. You can clearly see that the empty water symbol or the fuel water tank red illuminating symbol has disappeared. It is only a small coffee pod machine, but I will be getting a mug in there, for the first cleaning process. Then subsequently, press the green brewing button or the status LED button. And straight away, the cleaning process initiates. And you can clearly see from the beverage outlet, through the splash guard, that you're getting water oozing out from the outlet as opposed to beverage. And that's because we're only cleaning with the water, from the removable tank. And when it's almost done, it gets quite steamy. The green LED continues to flash after the steamy or smoke billowing. until the status or brewing LED, which flashes green, turns to solid green, as shown here. When this happens, the cleaning process is complete. You can then proceed to decant or pour out the water waste through your sink down the drain. And you can see that the flushed out water has got particles in them suggestive of debris from the machine. And in some other derisive cases, you might have detritus, in the wastewater. So by all means, get rid of it, okay? And then give your mug a good clean if you're going to brew more coffee. If you're running low on water, fill up the tank to the max level in preparation for brewing with the actual coffee pods, or you can decide to repeat the cleaning process. So, detach your water tank, give it a good clean, fill it up to the max level, and get set for brewing using them coffee pods or the service tea disc if you're repeating the cleaning process. Click on useful links in the description, and that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.